Hey guys, PMHK here. Obviously, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're an OG, welcome back. I make tech videos every week, so if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you do just that. Also, click the notification bells button and give this video a like. Now, today in the channel, we are doing a sort of massive tech unboxing. But before we jump onto that, I would just like to remind you guys that I have a giveaway going on the channel right now. I'm giving away the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9. Make sure you head on to the video of this. It's written giveaway at the end of the video. Make sure you like that video and you head over onto Instagram and you follow the rest of the instructions for you guys to stand this chance of winning this guy. But I'm going to be announcing the winner when that video reaches 1,000 likes. So we have a couple of things to unbox, so let's actually jump straight into it. Let me put these things down here. You already know what I'm about to unbox, so you don't really have to be staring at them. Now I'm gonna be giving away this pair of headphones. These are actually the ones that came with the Note 9. I don't know if you already watched that video, but I'm going to be giving them away to one of you guys. The way it's gonna work is I'm gonna pick between the first 5 people who comment on this video. You can comment anything, but also make sure you include your Instagram handle so it's easier for me to reach out to you. But I'm going to pick one of the first 5 comments to give away this guy here, and I'm gonna give them away when this video reaches 100 likes. Only 100 for this time, not 1,000 like the smartphone giveaway. But let me just check what's on the inside. Obviously, because these are headphones, I am not gonna be able to try them on, but at least let me unbox and show you guys what you're actually standing a chance of winning. Now, I chose to choose between the first 5 people that comment on this video because I know my OGs are normally the ones who comment first, second, or third in this video. So I'm gonna be picking one of you guys to win this amazing Xiaomi. This is Mi True Wireless Buds Basic 2. They actually look quite cool. Probably gonna have also extra buds. So these are different size buds for that snug fit if the ones that currently come on the device don't have that. But yeah, that's basically what you get. You also have this starting guide and you have more documents there, and that's about it. And then you have the headphones themselves. I at least need to see what I'm giving away before I give it away. It's called quality check. So inside you have the buds themselves. This actually look and feel premium. I actually have a video on other buds on the channel from One More. If you haven't watched that video, go check the One More buds video. So this guy are actually tiny. Unfortunately, I can't try them because of hygiene purposes. Now, one disclaimer, there's actually one of these boxes here which is actually empty. I just put it here because it made the whole package arrangement look even. This is the empty one. I think I have some other packages that I had already opened, so we're gonna chuck that thing over to the side, and we're going to start with this one here. Just checking if there's any address labels here. I don't want any one coming to knock on my door. But yeah, let's open this one up. Do I even remember what's on this one? Some of this package, or one of the package I bought, I think beginning of the year. The other one was actually a gift from Logitech. That's why it's already open. And the other one I just received a few days back. All right, so this one here is one that I actually got to use my iPad with, the iPad Air, which I am currently using. And I wanted basically a stand to be able to play games or just use the iPad in general in certain conditions. I am already feeling the quality of this. I mean, I think I paid around 200 rands for this thing. And what I was about to say is that I already feel that the quality is really not on the expensive side, or come on. So how is this thing supposed to? WTF? Maybe there's a screw. All right, so you use the screw to actually tighten that guy up. Let's do that quickly here. So you grab the screw, put it on the bottom, You grab this guy here, and I was already getting mad. All right, it's all assembled. You can actually also create even a iPad desktop setup with this guy here. So let's place the iPad right there. I don't know if I can trust my iPad with this thing because it's a little bit bouncy and I don't like that. And as you can see, you can actually also move or rotate the top part, but I don't think, because of the strength of the ball that is here, I don't think it's going to actually keep it. Oh, it actually does keep it like that. Wow. All right, so the main aim of me getting this is actually to game in situations where I'm on the main desk and I am not on the sofa playing Call of Duty Mobile. I like playing Call of Duty Mobile and not the main Call of Duty on the Xbox, because I personally feel like there's less pressure on you when you're playing there, because the people that game on the Xbox are really pro, and the people that are playing here are mostly just kids. So yeah, there's that. So yeah, and you can actually also adjust this guy here. There we go. You can have it on the lower setting, or you can have it on the highest setting, which is the one that I actually had it on. Let me just screw that thing back on. There we go. This is the highest setting, and this is probably the one that I'm going to be using because I am a bit tall and I don't want to be looking at my iPad. Let me just put this guy here. Hopefully it's not going to fall. Yeah, but you guys can't really see it. There's the iPad right behind me. On the second box, we have should have two items inside. I don't know why they gave me such a huge box, because the things that I actually bought, I'm not expecting them to be that big. So I don't know. I think Takealot should actually try to save when it comes to packaging. I actually know why they use this box, because what's inside is actually a bit long, but still there is no need to use such a big box for the two little package that are in here. Now, just to show you the amount of space inside this box, look at this. There is basically nothing inside this box here. But anyways, since they have the money to buy big boxes and waste them, I'm guessing that's why they picked this box. Let's chuck that one over to the side. Now we have two items. On the left hand side, we have these 9 watts LED lights, which I need to replace the lights all over the outside in the yard. Some of them are actually already died. I have 3 that died on me, and there is one that's still actually working. For me not to have different color or different Kelvin lights, I decided to just buy 5, or I'm gonna use 4 of the 5 to replace all of them all at once. And this thing was really cheap. I did go to the hardware store just to see if I could get same price as compared to this one. This one went, I think, for 100 rand or 150 rand, if I'm not mistaken. And they are 9 watts, 800 lumen natural white LED lights. This should be, natural light should be around 4000 kelvins if I'm not mistaken. Now let's unbox and see the actual quality of the lights. And it's what I always say, for the price I think the quality is good enough. And I mean, these are LED lights, should actually last me longer than the ones that I had outside. If I'm not mistaken, those ones weren't LED lights. But yeah, you have 5 of these arranged in different manner, one up, one down, mainly because if you put it like that, then they start banging against each other. You guys actually couldn't see what I was showing. But yeah, this is what you get on this box, and that's it for the LED lights. I'm just gonna have to lay down, go and change those bulbs outside. And then you have this anchor here. This anchor box contains AA battery. Now I have a smoke detector which I forgot to bring. Give me 1 second. So I have this smoke detector that uses, you can actually either connect it via USB, micro USB, or you can just have it plugged in with batteries. I had gotten Duracell batteries, but those batteries I think only lasted 3 days. And the notification that I got on my phone, because this is a smart smoke detector, was that I needed to replace those with alkaline. Is it alkaline? Alkaline. I had to replace those batteries with alkaline batteries that actually last much longer. So I found these on Takealot and I decided to buy, maybe to try. And the other reason also I got batteries is that as you guys can probably see, my audio device, the Zoom H4n, is about to die. I do have a spare one or a backup mic on the camera just in case, but let's change this battery right here, and I'm going to switch the audio maybe to that, or let's just change the battery. All right, so the guy's off. Hopefully that one day is recording properly. Now let's do the battery changing. Now I have Duracells here, which we're going to put on the side. Let's unboxing. Hopefully this section of the video is actually being recorded audio wise. Let's see. Inside I think you have how many? 24 AA battery for around $100. Actually very good deal. There we go. And this should last much longer. I like actually the way it opened. This should last much longer than the ones that I had from Duracell when it comes to putting them on the Nest thermostat. This Nest thermostat is actually really cool, but let me stop speaking and maybe get this thing sorted just in case the audio is now recording. So let's put that in there and that in there. All right, so we should be back to recording on the Zoom H4n. And the rest of the batteries are actually gonna go on my Nest thermostat, which has been actually off for a couple of months now because I couldn't find the specific batteries I needed. I need 6 for this guy. Let's put them in. And by the way, Anker is actually a well-known power bank company. They also actually have a sister or a parent, a child company that makes security cameras, smart wireless security cameras, which I've actually been eyeing. I just forgot the name. But yeah, let's see if these ones are actually going to last. The ones that I had here before when I bought this car, I think they lasted a couple of years. But the one from, there we go.
Hi from Nest.
Hi from Nest. Can you guys see? It's finally on. Let's see.
Ready. In the kitchen. Press to test.
All right, now last but not least was a gift from Logitech, which, as I had mentioned, I already unboxed it, but just for this video, let me unbox it again. As you guys can see, there's nothing on the inside. I just kept the box because I thought maybe I was going to need this in future. And as you can see, I actually needed it for this video. Let's put this rubbish inside because I'm going to create a mess for me to clean up later on here in the studio, which I am already doing. But what you should expect on the box is a sub, which is something that I didn't know I actually missed until I started using one again. On my Sonos system, I actually don't use a sub because the audio is actually really good without a sub. But yeah, at least we have this thing we can unbox and show you guys what's inside. I actually also repackaged this because I was already using this on my main desk where I edit. So you should expect a left and right Logitech speaker. You have the power cord which connects from the sub to your power supply. And then you have this 3.5 to 3.5 audio jack, and you have this feet that helps you with the box standing, and that's basically what I repackaged in there. Now these guys here, you can either put them standing horizontally like this, or you can stand them vertically like this. It's really up to you. I prefer them standing like this than like this because they look much taller and you can actually get the sound a little bit higher. Also, they connect to the subwoofer, both of them. There's actually connection ports at the back where those two speakers connect, which is actually really labeled. I actually forgot one more item that comes with this guy, which is on my main desk, which is actually one of the main features that I actually like about this whole setup, which I'm gonna get in a second. Now, this guy here is the wireless control dial, which is actually gonna assist you to switch modes. You can switch between the cable, because you can connect this 3.5 millimeter jack to 3.5 millimeter jack to maybe your PC or even your phone if your phone still uses it. And then you can switch between Bluetooth and the input that is actually working here. This guy also will allow you to actually put up the volume. As you guys can see, you can actually switch or turn this thing around. It will also serve as a pause button, a skip button, and I think 3 clicks will have you play the previous song or start the song from the beginning. And you also have an LED light right there. I don't know if you guys can see. There we go. There's an LED light right there that actually shows you which mode you are. It goes from, I think, blue for the Bluetooth connectivity, and then it changes to I think this color when you are connected via the cable. Now, one of the features that I actually like the most about this system is the audio quality. It actually plays really loud for just this little setup that you guys can actually see here. It gets a little bit distorted when you're actually playing on a very high level. At least that's what I experienced when I had it connected to my Mac Mini, which I have set up in the living room. But one of the downside, if I'm gonna nitpick about this thing, is that it did not come in white. I don't know if they have a white version of this thing just to go with the whole aesthetic that I have on my desk setup in the living room and just the living room as a whole. But what I was actually thinking is maybe spray paint this thing white. Let me know if that's actually something that you guys would want to see. I might just spray paint these things white and maybe leave the subwoofer as it is, because it actually sits under the table anyways. So this is gonna be it for this video. Make sure you don't forget to enter the giveaways that I have running on the channel right now. One of them is make sure you go on this video here and you like the video, and you also go over on Instagram to follow the rest of the instructions. The other one is the one I announced on this video, which I'll be giving away these earbuds to one of the first 5 comments when this video reaches 100 likes. But yeah, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you do just that. Make sure you like this video, as well as you turn on that post notification so you can get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. And I'm going to catch you guys on my next one. Peace.